most important thing for the young lawyers to get from the Academy is a better understanding of what it means to be a trial lawyer. For clients who probably have very little understanding of the legal system, and so I believe that it's important for them to understand not just how to better their trial skills, but also how to better their appearance as an advocate in representing folks who desperately need that representation. I'm very honored to be able to work with them because I know that they are essentially the first line of defense for so many people. I feel it's a privilege for all of us to be able to devote the small amount of time that we do to help these young lawyers advance in their careers as advocates.
It's extremely tough as a new attorney to get into a position where you can truly get a broad base of knowledge and experience and really get exposed to a lot of different kinds of law.
Being part of legal services is, I think, one of the most rewarding employment positions you can be in, because you get to see what you do on a daily basis and exactly how they affect the people you work with, your community, your state. And from a career standpoint, in legal services, you have the opportunity to develop your skills and develop your future as a lawyer from day one.
Knowing that what I do will set my client up for future success. Not even like huge success, just the fact that she'll be able to get up every day and know that if he comes around, there's a course of action she can call on.
It's the truly material changes that you can make in people's lives that makes the biggest difference.
For me, it's knowing that I get to be a resource, a support system for people who do not necessarily have the supports they need. And at the end of the day, I cannot just help that person reach their goals and make sure they're getting the right services, but provide them with information that the next time something happens, they feel more comfortable responding, they feel more comfortable asking the questions on their own, and they can share that with someone else.
I would love to see more awareness from the average Texan, and therefore more funding towards this to expand the ability of organizations like Legal Aid, like Access to Justice, to be able to help a lot more Texans, because ultimately everybody wins when the justice system works right.
My goal and hope is that when I look back 10 years from now, that it's not just my clients who had the benefit of getting the services they need, but that I have been able to educate their parents, and that when I get a call back from a parent, they can say, I feel confident that I can advocate for my child, and that the information you gave me, I was able to help someone else. And I want to know that what I've done and what I've provided to others doesn't end when I stop working on the case, but continues and helps people in the future as well.
I want to make sure I have an impact on my client's life. I want to be able to empower them, and often our clients come to us and they are so beaten down, and they sometimes don't even realize that what's been going on was wrong, and they don't think anybody's going to understand. And while I've not been in that situation, I can explain to them, people that haven't even been in your situation know that this is wrong. To be able to build my clients up, a protective order is just a piece of paper, but it gives them confidence to go forward in their life.
Make a difference.
Make a difference.
Make a difference.
Make a difference in the courtroom and in the world.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your participation in the Academy and for your legal service work.